Hey guys, today we are going to do the unboxing of Apple iPhone 15 Pro blue titanium model, and this is 128 GB of storage. So I bought this iPhone from one of the retail store in Australia, and this cost me around 1500 Australian dollar. The price may vary in different markets, in different geographies. So let's do the quick unboxing. Earlier they used to cover the whole box in plastic, but now they have reduced it to the minimal packaging. Now the box is slicker. The color really looks good. It's the blue titanium. The finishing is really nice. Let's keep the phone aside for now, and let's look into the other accessories in the box. So here we have this small packaging, the SIM ejector tool, because the iPhones in Australia comes with a physical SIM and eSIM. So in the US, Apple is forcing people to use eSIM, but that is not the case for other markets. So in UK, in Japan, in Australia, they have physical and eSIM, both the combination. So we have the SIM ejector tool. We have different manuals in different languages. So let's keep it aside. And also we have the cable, and the good thing is that it has USB-C to USB-C type, so you can use your existing charger if you have any Android, or probably if you might have any different headphone, earphone, so you can use the same charging block, the charging adapter with this cable. So this one is a nice addition to the Apple phone. Earlier it used to be lightning cable, and I remember I had to carry the Apple lightning cable everywhere I go. So that was an extra burden, and nothing else in the box. So let's keep it aside, keep all of them aside. This is the iPhone. I really love the color. There are 4 other variants. So let's peel off this sticker as well. Wow, I'm already in love with this iPhone. It's really handy. We have the action button, we have the volume up and down button, and the power button here. And one good thing is that they still have the physical SIM button, unlike the case for US market where they only have to go with the eSIM. So let's try to boot this up and let's see. I would choose English, Australia. Appearance, we have default, medium and large. I think I would go with the default one. Setup without another device. You should need my Wi-Fi. I could connect to my Wi-Fi. Now the data and privacy, I would continue with this one, and setting up this iPhone for myself. Face ID, I would set it up later, and create an iPhone passcode. It is asking for me to transfer my data and apps, so I do not want to transfer right now. I can transfer it from my iCloud backup, from another phone, from Android. So for now I do not transfer anything, so I would go with the last option. I would go with the forget password and set up later in the settings. I would go with the dark theme. Silent mode, yes. Action button, yep. So there is this interesting feature of the action button. Earlier it was on and off, but now it has become a physical button. So here you can customize like what you want to do. Let it be silent, it can be a focus mode, it can be used for camera, torch, and whatever it is. So I would go with the silent mode only, and I would press continue, emergency SOS. Yeah, now it says welcome to iPhone. Now I'll swipe from the bottom, and yep, this is the how the iPhone looks like. So if I go to the settings tab, as you can see, we have 17.83 GB has been used out of 128 GB. This iPhone 15 Pro has 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, and it is OLED display, and it has dynamic island, always on display, Pro Motion technology, HDR display, True Tone, haptic touch, all of these things, and it is using the latest A17 Pro chip. iPhone 15 Pro is having a pro camera system, so where we have 48 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 12 megapixel telephoto. And in the telephoto lens we have 3x optical zoom, 2x optical zoom out, and 6x optical zoom range. It can do 4K video recording at 24 fps, 25 fps, 30 or 60 fps, 1080p HD video recording at 25, 30 or 60 fps, 720p HD video recording at 30 fps, and it also has cinematic mode, action mode, HDR video recording mode. It is a 5G enabled eSIM capable phone, and its weight just above 187 grams. I think this could be a good option for the people who doesn't want a big phone that might be difficult to hold and operate in one hand. That's it for now, guys. I think I have covered most of the important features for this phone. Please do like, watch and subscribe my channel. Also, please let me know how do you like about my video in the comment section. Bye bye. Thank you.